Off the top at 6, a surprise show of support in court today for a gymnastics coach accused of molesting one of his students. Dozens of supporters, as well as many who think Ray Adams is guilty, voiced their differing opinions in court today. And Local 10's Nikki Mohan was right there. She joins us live from the gym now in Deerfield Beach with more on this.
Lori, it appears that Raymond Adams will be spending the weekend in a Broward County jail. At last check, the judge had not made a ruling on whether or not to let him out on bond. But one thing is for sure, even if he is released on bond, he will not be coming back here to Bigger International Gymnastics while he awaits trial, despite the pleas of parents and supporters. At Bigger International Gymnastics, everyone seemed to be avoiding our cameras this evening. A much different scene, though, earlier at the Broward County Courthouse.
He is innocent according to the Constitution in this country until he's proven guilty.
Parents and students of Bigger Gymnastics coach Ray Adams lined the hallway outside a hearing to determine if the 38-year-old who is charged with sexually molesting a 10-year-old female student at the gym in Deerfield Beach should receive bond.
Obviously, there's a fascination, there's a temptation, and the venue in which he chooses to do it is a perfect location and a perfect cover.
Did he ever touch her?
Yes.
Right, where did he touch her?
In the middle of her stomach.
Did you
make sure she was tight.
Did you see that?
Yes.
Okay. Did you see him touch her anywhere else?
No.
The mother of Adams' alleged victim also in court to tell her daughter's side of the story.
And she just says, Mommy's not telling the truth. And so I'm going to sit up there and tell the truth, and the judge is going to hear me, right? I said, yes, sweet girl, he is. And she said, and he can't touch any other little girls, right? And I said, right.
Adams has worked at several gyms across the country. In Illinois, in 1998, he was charged with criminal sexual abuse on a child and pled guilty to a lesser charge. In 2001, he was charged with sexual misconduct on a 14-year-old and was found not guilty.
The prior record only shows that he pled to 2 counts of misdemeanor battery and then paid a fine and walked away. Everything else, there is nothing there. There are only allegations.
This is absurd that these parents are going to take the chance, even if it's an allegation, to let them come back and have an experience with their daughters. That's what he does.
Lots of passionate supporters of Adams came forth from Bigger International Gymnastics today. The alleged victim's mother tells us that she is eager to take the stand, but she's terrified he may be released on bond. Again, Lori, the judge has not yet ruled on whether Raymond Adams will be released on bond while he awaits trial.
And Nikki, do you know if the judge can consider those previous charges? Is he allowed to put that into his decision?
Well, according to Adams' attorney, he has to rule on the evidence that's presented before him in this case. But again, the prosecution did bring up these prior counts and prior incidences into consideration and says because of those incidents that he should not be released. So again, is between his attorney and the prosecutor says yes. The prosecutor says yes, he should use those counts. His attorney says no, he should judge it on the merits of this case.
All right, well, we'll wait on that judge's ruling. Thank you. Nikki Mohan live for us.